What's up, smoke shows? It's a Tuesday. There's a new Kindling up if you want to involve yourself in my writing prompts and stuff that I do. It's on tylerknott.com. Jump behind the community and be a part of it. Every Wednesday we get to write together and share our writing with each other, and it's amazing. And if you're not doing it yet, you really should, because it's every Tuesday, and it's awesome. Weird one today, Typewriter Series 448. Here's your wee paper. I think I stole this notebook paper from my mother's house. She writes her grocery lists on it. This one's weird. I'm going to have to read it the normal way, and then I'll explain it. Here we go. I can't. Your hand, breathe, reaches out, without, to meet mine. Your fingers, somewhere in, wrapped around, the middle, mine. There's actually two poems hiding in this. If you look at it again, you'll see what I'm saying. The first poem technically should say, I can't breathe without your fingers wrapped around mine. And then the second poem on the other little slide over side says, your hand reaches out to meet mine, somewhere in the middle. I like that one. I love you a lot. Have a really cool day. I'll see you later.